Alright, so in last episode, I mentioned that my wheel fell off. It was the driver's side, but and I started thinking about it, and I think I know why. Back way long ago, pretty sure when I put these lug nuts on to secure the old, like, junk tires, I packed in a bunch of either white lithium grease or some kind of anti-seize. So I'm gonna go through and take these rear wheels off and spray them all down with brake cleaner. Spray out the lugs, because tomorrow I'm gonna take this thing to the alignment shop and get it all squared away. Yep, sure enough, look at that anti-seize. Well, hopefully the wheel doesn't fall off ever again. So that'd be cool. Alright, so I've been running the brake-in oil, the Joe Gibbs brake-in oil. I've been running this thing for a few weeks now, doing some shakedown, and I finally hit 400 miles on this oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an oil change. 10W30 conventional Valvoline with a OEM oil filter. Damn, she's milky, like chocolate milk. I don't see any metal shavings, so that's good. See what kind of slime comes out of here. Okay. Interesting. Gave her some oil. I think that's good. It's about like 4.8 quarts. I don't know if you can see that, but I think it's good. Alright, so today I'm going to be installing this distribution block. And the reason is because initially a lot of these powered accessories I just hooked to the battery. So really this is just going to help clean it up. So I'm thinking about mounting it right here where it's got a little flat surface. These are rubber like isolator washers. Got washers, lock washers in this little hardware kit to attach it to the body. And I got this 4-gauge ground strap, which will be my power wire. Alright, so it's mounted now. It's pretty stout. Got these rubber washers under there, kind of as like isolators. Bye-bye. Well, the first thing to do is attach the ground strap. Make sure this is getting proper power. I'm gonna run it to this one back here. Cool. Alright. Okay, so the camera stopped recording. I don't know why. But I got power to the fuse block, power to battery, and then I also got the power from the EFI right here. And then I got headlight and fog lights right here. Just got those tightened down. So yeah, it's messy, but I don't really care right now. Oh, and I also forgot I just connected this the amp cable too, so I can bump some mad tunes. You just pop this little plastic cover on. And just put some of this terminal protector on. And you're good.
Two hours later.
So we're coming back from where we go?
Rocky Trail.
Rocky Trail. And felt this weird sound, and it looks like my drive shaft just flew out. So that's pretty neat. So yeah. Alright, so today I'm gonna pull the truck in the garage, see what I broke, make sure I can reuse this thing, which I think I can. Gotta fix that too. Got this thing in 4 low, you know, so I can actually move it. This thing looks good. I'll probably reuse that. Damn, this piece is fudged. I was hoping I could just buy new U-joints. Well, time to get on Facebook Marketplace. Also, there's a little bit of tranny fluid, so yep. Okay, so this thing has also been thrown a code. See, I got E1 to T jumpered, so I'm gonna see if I can determine what code it is.